We're gonna celebrate outdoor living today. We're gonna do an old-fashioned macaroni salad just like Grandma would have made. Today's still a very blustery day. It's probably be perfect for kite flying. If you hear the sound of wind chimes in the background, it's just Mother Nature making a little music in my backyard right now. Okay, so what we're gonna make today is every grandmother's traditional macaroni salad. And this is something that I've been enjoying since I was a kid. And when I became vegan, I didn't want to give this up. So I decided to figure out a way to create the mayonnaise-based dressing using all vegan ingredients, and I think it tastes just as good, if not better. First of all, you're going to want to use what I call salad-sized macaroni. It's a little tiny tubular-shaped macaroni. It's also known as, I think, tubetti pasta. So I use one package, which is equal to 1 pound of macaroni. Prepare it according to the package directions, and then once it is ready to be taken off the stove, rinse it in cold water, and then that stops it from cooking any further. And you want to let it drain really, really well. And I've already pre-prepared this. And then while the pasta is cooling down and draining, it's a perfect time then to prepare the rest of your ingredients that are going to go into your macaroni salad. So the list of ingredients are super basic. And the idea here is, as you prepare your different ingredients, you want to keep everything about the same size. What's fun about this particular salad is it's going to be little diced up pieces that are all rather uniform in size. Imagine like the size of one of these little pieces of pasta is about how big you want your other ingredients to be. And that would include a half of a yellow or sweet onion finely diced, 1/2 cup of sliced black olives, but by the can you can buy them already pre-sliced, so that can save you a little bit of time. And I think it's about a 5.3 ounce can, which equals about 1/2 cup. Same thing with green olives, and I get the green olives that have the red pimentos in them. It adds color, it also adds flavor. I buy the smallest olives I can find, so they'll be about the same size as the black olives, and then I hand slice these myself. Then you're going to want to use 4 stalks of celery, and your celery is also going to be diced up to be about the same size as everything else you've got going in there. All right. And now we'll make the dressing. So we're gonna start with, first of all, vegan mayo. And there's a lot of different brands of vegan mayonnaise. I don't recommend any one particular variety over another. I find them all pretty darn good. You're gonna start off with 1/2 cup of vegan mayo. Next, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. And if you don't have one, I suggest getting yourself a pepper mill. There's nothing quite like freshly ground pepper, and a good pepper mill is worth the investment in having one. And then finally, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. So I like to add the dressing gradually instead of all at once because I don't want too much dressing. Then this gives me the option that if I need to add more, I can. And I'm gonna add more. In fact, I'm gonna put it all in there. The salad does, because of macaroni, it does tend to absorb the dressing. If you're not ready to serve it immediately, you're gonna wanna put it in the refrigerator, and frankly, it gets better and better and better. It's one of those salads, it's a little bit like, oh, I don't know, it reminds me of like eating potato chips. You start nibbling on it and you keep going back for more. And there we have Grandma's macaroni salad. And now the true test. Boy, that takes me back to my childhood. It's good. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked what you saw today, please subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, please share with your friends.
Your stomach keeps growling.
My stomach keeps
Yeah.
growling.
There it is.